Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. The rpod 196 is the #1 selling rpod across the United States, and for good reason. It's got a backup camera, off-road tires, big power awning, good outside storage. When you go inside, it's got one of the best kitchen layouts in a 19-foot travel trailer. You get a convection microwave, big sink, 2-burner stove, propane electric refrigerator, and a big pantry. The couch also folds down to a bed, and in the slide out they give you extra cabinets for more storage. Walk around queen bed with wardrobes on each side. Again, a 19-foot travel trailer with really good storage. Now when we go into the bathroom, it's very, very tiny. But what do you get? Not much.